At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an amusement park business can be an exciting venture, but it requires careful planning and consideration of various factors. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Begin by researching the local market to understand the demand for an amusement park in your area. Analyze demographics, competition, and visitor preferences. 2. Business plan. Develop a comprehensive business plan that outlines your objectives, target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and operational details. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your venture and help you secure funding if needed. 3. Location. Choose a suitable location for your amusement park. Consider factors such as accessibility, visibility, size of the land, zoning regulations, and proximity to other attractions or population centers. 4. Attractions and rides. Decide on the types of attractions and rides you want to offer based on your target audience and budget. Consider a mix of thrill rides, family rides, water attractions, and themed experiences to appeal to a wide range of visitors. 5. Permits and regulations. Research the permits and licenses required to operate an amusement park in your area. This may include zoning permits, health and safety inspections, building permits, and amusement ride certifications. 6. Safety and maintenance. Safety should be a top priority in an amusement park. Ensure that all rides and attractions meet industry safety standards and undergo regular inspections and maintenance. Develop thorough operating procedures and train staff accordingly. 7. Staffing. Hire a team of skilled and experienced staff to operate and manage your amusement park. This may include ride operators, ticket sellers, maintenance technicians, security personnel, and customer service representatives. 8. Marketing and promotion. Develop a marketing strategy to promote your amusement park and attract visitors. Utilize a mix of online and offline marketing tactics, such as social media advertising, email campaigns, partnerships with local businesses, and promotional events. 9. Ticketing and pricing. Determine your ticketing options and pricing strategy. Consider offering discounts for groups, families, and season passes to encourage repeat visits. Implement an efficient ticketing system to streamline the entry process and manage crowds. 10. Customer experience. Focus on providing an exceptional customer experience to keep visitors coming back. Offer amenities such as clean restrooms, food and beverage options, shaded areas, and entertainment shows to enhance the overall enjoyment of your park. 11. Feedback and improvement. Regularly solicit feedback from visitors to identify areas for improvement and make necessary adjustments. Stay updated on industry trends and innovations to keep your amusement park competitive and relevant. Starting an amusement park business requires significant investment, both in terms of finances and effort, but with careful planning and execution, it can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.